UAE Worksheets. Today we're learning about double-digit addition. Addition is putting numbers together to make a bigger number. Here is an example of addition. Ali has 2 pineapples. He gets 1 more pineapple. When we add the numbers together 2 plus 1, we get 3 as the total answer. Now, Ali has 3 pineapples. This was an example of addition because we add 2 numbers together to make a bigger number. Double-digit numbers are just bigger numbers with 2 numbers. A number in the ones column and the tens column. Examples of double-digit numbers are 12, 35, 49, and 78. Notice how each number has 2 numbers? Now let's learn how to add double-digit numbers. Adding 2-digit numbers can be easy if we break it down. There are 2 easy steps to follow. Step 1, add the numbers in the ones place. Step 2, add the numbers in the tens place. That's it, in 2 easy steps you can add double-digit numbers. For example, let's add 13 plus 24. First, look only at the ones column. You can cover up the other column with your finger or a piece of paper. In the ones column, we have 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Be sure to write our answer 7 on the bottom, on the ones side. Next, let's look only at the tens side. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3, so let's write 3 at the bottom on the tens side. Now we have our final answer of 37. 13 plus 24 equals 37. Here we have 41 plus 25. First, look at the ones column. Remember to cover the other side to help you focus on the ones column. In the ones column, we have 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Write 6 at the bottom on the ones side. Next, look at the tens side. Cover the other side. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6, so write 6 on the tens side. The final answer is 66. 41 plus 25 equals 66. Let's try 14 plus 13. Start with the ones column. Cover up the other side and only focus on the ones side. In the ones column, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Write 7 at the bottom on the ones side. Now, look at the tens side. Cover the other side. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2, so write 2 on the tens side. The answer is 27. 14 plus 13 equals 27. Here's another 24 plus 20. Start with the ones column. Pay attention only to the ones side. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 equals 4, so write 4 on the ones side. Now, look only at the tens column. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4, so write 4 on the tens side. The answer is 44. 24 plus 20 equals 44. Now we have 52 plus 16. Begin with the ones column. Cover up the other side so that you only look at the ones column. In the ones column, we have 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Write 8 at the bottom on the ones side. Next, look only at the tens column. You can cover the other side with your finger. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6, so write 6 on the tens side. The answer is 68. 52 plus 16 equals 68. Great job! Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to UAE Worksheets. Don't forget to check out our other videos and leave us a comment about what you learned today.